me. My name is Hamid, like Dr. J introduced me, so kind. I'm a specialist here in Brazil and co-author of the double slot bracket. We have a ebook that we actually wrote that is called Innovative Concepts in Orthodontics. We have here the Sortec. It's a company, orthodontic company, that is the responsible for to sell this bracket and also to manufacture this bracket here in Brazil. I am professor of postgraduate course in orthodontics here in the institution nearby. It's called Jae-bong. It's a few kilometers from my hometown. This is my contacts and my email. And I want to start, obviously, sharing this image that it has a great value for me because it's the base of my life. So here we are with my family, my little daughter that has right now 2 years and 10 months. That's she called Pietra, and I have also 3 dogs that I love dogs. So what I'm doing right now here, it's basically it's because of her. So actually, all that I do right now, it's for my little child. Just let me do something here. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. Um, so, I'm sorry here. Okay. Here are some photos of our students here in Brazil. We actually, this all are